A dog is chasing a cyclist down a straight section of highway. The movement of the cyclist is described by the equation, you can see it on the screen. And the movement of the dog is described by the second equation. Will the dog catch up with the cyclist? If yes, where and when will it happen? The equation of motion of the cyclist and a dog are, for cyclist, x cyclist equals 25 plus 10 times t. For the dog, xd equals minus 35 plus 12 times t. Will the dog catch up with the cyclist? If yes, where and when will it happen? So let us try to find the time and coordinate of the event when the coordinate and of a dog and a cyclist will be the same. X meeting and t meeting. If this problem has a solution, so that means that a dog will catch up with the cyclist. So let's depict this problem. Draw the x-axis along the highway. 0 is the origin. Minus 35 x meters is the initial coordinate of the dog. Plus 45 is the initial coordinate of a cyclist. X cyclist equals 25 plus 10 times t. That means that cyclist moves along the x-axis. At a speed 10 meters per second. The dog runs at a speed 12 meters per second. So, from this picture we can conclude the dog is behind the cyclist, firstly, and secondly, the speed of the dog is greater than the speed of the cyclist. That means that dog catches up with the cyclist, and we can find the time and coordinate of the meeting. So, meeting is the event when coordinates of bodies are the same at the same moment in time. So we can write condition of meeting. X cyclist at the moment of meeting equals X dog at the moment of meeting equals the place of meeting xm. This is the condition of a meeting. Substitute here these two equations. We have 25 plus 10 T meeting equals minus 35 plus 12 times T meeting. One equation with one unknown value. So let's solve this equation. Move minus 35 left and move 10 times Tm to the right side of the equation. We have 25 minus converts into plus 35 equals 12 times time meeting minus 10 times meeting time. Here we have 60. Here we have 2 Tm. So Tm meeting time equals 30 seconds. The dog catches up with the cyclist in 30 seconds after this position of cyclist and the dog. Where this event takes place. To find the position of a meeting point, let us substitute meeting time into any of these equations. For example, to the first. X cyclist at the meeting moment equals 25 plus 10 times 30 seconds gives 325 meters. 325 meters. Check ourselves substituting the same moment in time into the second equation. X dog at the meeting moment equals minus 35 plus 12 times 30 gives 360 minus 35 gives the same 325 meters. So we can conclude that our solution is correct and the dog and the cyclist meet after 30 seconds of chase at the point with coordinate 325 meters. The problem is solved.